Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning Miss Dian. Hi, good morning my friend. Today I want to do presentation about regional general election during the COVID-19 pandemic. My name is Dimas Dewi Novitasari. Law Article 43 Paragraph 1. Every citizen has the right to be elected and to vote in general election based on equal right through direct, general, free, secret, honest, and fair voting in accordance with the provision of the law and regulation. 1. Definition of general election. General election is an activity carried out in a country that has a democratic system determining leader from the start of the president to the village head by giving freedom to all his people. Usually in general election, there are candidates who have already been elected in a general election. 2. Term of office of regional government in Indonesia. In Indonesia is permissibly for the same person to nominate himself again in regional general election even though that person has just completed his term of office as a regional person for the period in an area in Indonesia. Is explained that in candidate for regional head has a maximum of only 2 terms in serving as a regional head. 3. Implementation of campaigns during the COVID-19 pandemic. In Indonesia, there is an outbreak of COVID-19. The campaign carried out by regional head candidate is legally different from the general election in previous years, such as conveying information and mission and approach to the people. Voters using the virtual method, namely by such as using the Zoom application and Google Meet between prospective regional leader doing video meeting with the people in their area. 4. Implementation of regional head election during the COVID-19 pandemic. Implementation of voting of regional general election at polling station TPS is carried out by continuing its implementation health protocol to help prevent transmission and break the chain of transmission of the COVID-19 virus in Indonesia. Every person who will vote is taken with a body temperature. To each voting place, there is always a place to wash hand and hand sanitizer is provided with all health protocol rules in order to avoid the transmission of COVID-19. In this year, in Indonesia state held a regional general election with the current state of the COVID-19 virus outbreak. In general election, have several steps before setting the voting process at the polling station. One of them is the campaign. Campaign have several steps to can be done. With is the situation, the campaign is carried by meeting virtual using technology such as using Zoom and Google Meet. The polling station apply healthy protocol. Question 1 from Dinda. How enthusiastic the Indonesian people are when holding regional election this year? For the Indonesian people in this year regional election, they don't need to worry because the polling station have been sterilized and implementation in accordance with the health protocol. And alright, soon there are no crowd to prevent the occurrence for COVID-19 transmission. A question 2 from Rahma. What is the not allowed during the quiet period of the general election? During the calm period, the print election, electronic and broadcasting massa are prohibited from the broadcasting advertisement of political parties or combined political parties, candidate pair, or any other from that the profit campaign interest of deficit advantage the candidate pair. If during the quiet period of the candidate pair of the campaign them violate the rules, the supervisor agency always sentence of those who do it as under the authority of Bawaslu. Enough of my presentation. Thank you for the attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.